Hey guys, how's it going? It's your favorite train wreck here, coming to you from my place at Golden Hour. I did this video like a couple of months ago when I just moved in. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I have recently like officially moved in, like decorated my place the way that I wanted it. In one of my vlogs I showed you how like I moved everything around, so it's looking kind of different. I listened to you guys' advice because some of you wanted me to change up where I put my couch, so I thought why not give you guys an updated tour. So for those of you who didn't see my last video, I'll give the specs quickly of this apartment. I paid my down payment, aka key money, was 2 million won, and my monthly rent is 1.1 million won. It's a month-to-month lease, so I can literally break my lease whenever I want. Okay, so let's start from the door. Your normal, typical Korean door where you open and close and it's all automated. Love that. There we go. I'm so used to just typing in my code and walking in and not having to think like, oh, did I take my keys with me when I left? So we step in and there's a little step where you, of course, take your shoes off because we're not animals, and I put them in here. I don't have that many shoes. I'm still working on a shoe collection. Don't look at how dirty my shoes are. But I also put like stuff like my bag and stuff, just so it's not cluttery. And then here I would usually put like my AirPods or just stuff that I want to take with me if I'm ever like going out or coming back in and I just want to set it down. And then up here, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be for, but I use it for like all the shit that I want to hide, and also my like water closet. I don't know, oh my god, no, it looks so much worse on camera. I never realized how bad it, okay, we're gonna close this again. We're gonna close it. I didn't realize how messy it looked. I'm so embarrassed. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that in. Anyway, so then we step in and we are in the kitchen. Like, it's nice for one person, 2 hobs, a little sink. Here I just put some like everyday stuff that I wanted to keep to hand. Quinoa, breadcrumbs, and my vanilla pump thingy for my lattes. And then down below we have a washing machine. Came with the apartment. Most Korean apartments come with a washing machine. Storage, yeah, nothing super duper exciting. So this is kind of like just a normal like Western bathroom, I would say. So like I've lived in places where there literally wasn't a sink. The only thing you had was a toilet and like a little shower head. So I've gone up in the world, definitely. And then I just have like my stuff in here. It's not like the cleanest, but it also doesn't have to be because I just hide it. So this place is a new build, so you know, you expect the quality to be pretty high. I like noticed on the floor, like when they were, I guess, like building this place and especially building this bathroom, that whoever they hired just didn't care or like just didn't know what they were doing, because there's like paint marks on the floor, and I know it wouldn't be from like the previous tenant. How did this pass like the quality inspection? I don't know. It's like not the end of the world, but I'm just like, you know. Look at Golden Hour. And we step forward. This is my fridge and my freezer. I just put up some cute little pictures of some of my loved ones, and here is my oven. I've had to specifically buy this because it doesn't come with the apartment. And down here, this is supposed to be for like a rice cooker, but I don't really think I need one, so I'm gonna buy a little mini dishwasher and put it here. Can you see this? I can't tell. Anyway, this is my living room. The lighting's probably off because it's sunset, but this is, you know, hold on. So this is the living room now, and if you remember from my last video, my couch actually used to be on the other side and I didn't have this, and I just love this layout so much more. I can watch TV, I can eat dinner and like look outside, And instead of my couch being there, I actually now have this. I think this is like such a step up from what was there previously. I feel like it looked a lot more plain, and now it's like, you know, nice. I definitely think I should buy like maybe a bigger TV. Having it look like this, it feels a lot more like lived in, a lot more decorated, rather than the kind of plain doctor's office vibe that I had going on last time. I knew that I wanted one of those like fake fireplaces. They're really popular in Korea. So obviously, because I've never had a single original thought in my life, I had to get one too. But yeah, I think it's really cute. I don't care if everyone has it. It's cute. I understand why everyone would have one. Ties everything in so much better. Bougie, is that a word? Bouges up the place a lot more. Let me give you, can I do a 360 like this? Hold on. Let me give you a 360. I don't know if you caught that, but this is what the living room looks like. I feel like my camera doesn't like do it justice, but let me do it one more time. There we go. There we go. I hope you can get an idea. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm dizzy. I hope you can get kind of like an idea of what it looks like or what it's supposed to look like. As always, the star of the show are my big, huge windows. The only reason why I actually got this apartment, because I wanted somewhere where I don't constantly have to have the lights on. Like, I know what time it is by just looking outside my window. And this is what does it. It's a corner apartment, so I have 2 windows. So something that I forgot to mention last time was, look at this button. It automatically opens the window. How cool is that? I don't actually want the window open, so I'm gonna close it again. But yeah, pretty nifty if you ask me. Okay, so then we turn around and we have my mirror, built-in mirror, which is nice, kind of saves me from buying a new mirror. If you're wondering what that is, that's just my diffuser. Love, love, love this thing. If you have dry skin, get you one of these. Anyway, it's time to venture on upstairs. Also, because it's a loft apartment, like the ceilings are quite high. I just wanted to, you know, flex on my high windows. So the stairs look like this. So this is my bedroom. Not much has changed really. Oh, except I put my table from downstairs that used to be my TV table up here. Ow. Okay, one thing I will say, up here the ceiling is kind of a lot lower, so sometimes, almost always, I hit my head, especially when you have to go down and pee. And my toxic trait is drinking water before I go to bed, or like drinking water during the night. So happens a lot where when I'm not fully aware of where I am or what I'm doing, but I manage to hit my head. So it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. When you have high up ceilings downstairs, you're not gonna have high ceilings upstairs. So yeah, this is where I rest, and I actually try not to spend too much time up here. Actually, I've never filmed up here. This is actually a very cute spot to film. POV, we're having a sleepover. Something that I used to do at my old apartments is I would do everything in my bed. So you're gonna hate me, but I used to eat in my bed, and I would have like crumbs in my bed. I used to sleep obviously in my bed. I used to just do absolutely everything. Like I would edit videos, I would be studying, anything and everything you could think of. And it made sure that I would never actually get out of bed and do something. Like I would never get up and do my hair, do my makeup, wash my face, shower, anything, because I'm like, oh, I don't need to like have any type of routine. I'll just stay in bed. When I come up here, I want my body and mind to associate this place with relaxation and sleeping. Like this is where I rest my head, where I wake up. Yeah, I only come up here when it's time to sleep. Although I will say, okay, don't do what I do and look directly at the sun, but the sunset is really pretty. Wow, wait, hold on. Hold on. Okay, this lighting up here, oh! We learned something new today. Golden hour is very pretty upstairs. I'll keep that in mind for future selfies. This is the view opposite my bed. So like I said, I brought my old TV table up here. I love the look and I love the color. And I think back when it was downstairs, it looked really nice together with like the other color scheme that I had going on at the time. And then we have my other table. I didn't want to throw it away, so now it's here. I think it kind of works. I don't think it's like the worst design choice I've ever had. And then I just put up some posters up here. This, I put this up so you can't see the plugs. I think there's some plugs, yeah, there's some plugs behind here as well. So I think, again, posters really came in clutch when I was decorating because it just covers stuff. I don't know, it just makes things more sophisticated, it makes things look more lived in, and it covers things that you want covered. Even this doesn't do it justice really, but yeah, you can see how tall the ceilings are. This is my living situation right now. Thank you for watching. If you did, I hope you enjoyed this little updated apartment tour. I hope you like what I did with the place. I like it personally. But yeah, the sunsets they're pretty good. Can't complain. Ah! Okay, the sun's not down yet and I keep blinding myself. I'm gonna show you in a minute like what the sunset looks like once the sun has actually set. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you did, if you have any requests on the type of videos you want to see from me, let me know down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.